Okay, I want to have a little bit of real talk. I wasn't expecting to make this video and have this video look and feel like this, but this is just my honest truth. Last August 2020, I was just in a hard place. I was a new mom. I had moved into a very small apartment. The world felt like it was melting down and everything felt uncertain. And I am going to be honest with you and let you know that I felt like I was in a rut. I felt like I was stuck. I felt like it was taking everything in me to show up and still keep things moving in the business. And I feel so much more optimistic about the future now. But then it was really hard to see a way out. We just didn't know what was happening. And so it was during that time that I actually had to make a decision. Am I going to still show up and still try to build my business, even if I didn't know what was happening in the future? And so I decided to experiment with what it would feel like to just show up for 10 days. Like, could I do that? Like, I'll be honest with you, and I will tell you that at the time, I wasn't sure if I can create 30 days of content. I wasn't even sure if I could do 2 weeks of content. It felt like everything in me, I was just like, I don't know if I could show up because I'm tired. And I just feel overwhelmed with what's going on. I feel overwhelmed in my business. I felt overwhelmed in my family. And I felt overwhelmed with a bunch of different things. And so I did 10 days. And I have to tell you that it was the process of the 10 days that was so extraordinarily cathartic. And it just made me feel like I can move the needle a little bit each day. And so it's totally an honor and a privilege to share with you the 10-day plan to get unstuck. Like, if you find yourself in a rut, this is going to be something that was made from my heart and the Social Curator team to you. It is one of the bonuses that we dropped, and it came from such a real place, and that's why I wanted to send you a video to be like, listen, I know what that feels like, and we kind of worked our way successfully through it, and I want that to be for you. Now, I also know, of course, you know there are 101 caption templates. That bonus has been surprise dropped. We here for it. So I'm not creating this video to talk about the 2 bonuses, although yes and amen. I'm actually talking about something that's like an undercurrent that I've heard and experienced from people during this launch. I taught this live class, or just 4 days ago. I taught the class on Monday and Tuesday, and some people were saying, this is great, Jasmine, I'm ready. And then some people tried showing up, and then they got worried about the things that people were saying. Their friends, their family, strangers on the internet had opinions about their work. And I feel like you guys, less than a month ago, I decided to try something new. I said, I'm gonna go live on TikTok for my business. Nobody showed up. I think 8 people showed up to this TikTok, and one of them was a jerk. One of them was a troll. This person kept on leaving like really mean comments, and I feel that in that moment, I had spoken nothing more than my truth. Here it is.
You2123, who says, you talk too damn much. Hey, I don't talk enough. Listen, I'm gonna stand on empty corners for the rest of my life, speaking into a vacuous void, because the ricochets of my echo are gonna reach somebody, maybe not this year, maybe not next year, but honey, I'm gonna be here for the next decade speaking my truth, because I believe, if not you, there's somebody on this live chat with 12 people watching who need to hear the thing I have to say. And TikTok is completely volitional. If you don't wanna be here, you know where the digital door is, so sayonara, peace out, live your life. I hope that someday, when you decide to follow your passion and somebody decides to show up and spit on your efforts, you hold your head high and keep on walking and you keep on talking. Oh, all right.
I mean, come on. I rolled in probably with a little bit too much of an attitude, but I'm including that video, which has never been shared before on the internet before, in this video message to you, because on days when people doubt your greatness, or when days when people want to instill fear or doubt, I want you to remember to continue showing up and sharing your message, even when times are tough, when days are dark and the nights are cold. Why? There's going to be a group of people around you who want the best for you. I want you to stand in your purpose. I want you to share your message, and I want you to do that on the back of social media. Our bonuses are expiring on Friday at 5 p.m. Los Angeles time. I want you to have the get out of a rut, get unstuck, keep moving in just 10 days bonus. I want you to have 101 captions for your business. I want you to get in. I want to see you in group coaching. I want to see you in our masterclasses. I want to see you bet on your business. So from my heart to yours, I look forward to seeing you in the community. And if there's any way we could serve you at all, hook a sister up. Let me know. I'll see you soon.